Hello friends, welcome back. In this Tableau session, we are going to understand how do we use the annotation feature that's available with Tableau. We can go ahead with three types of annotations and they are going to be shown to you. Now right now you can see that I have got some graphs available in front of me and that's nothing but the sales forecast of some data. I have filled in the rows and columns, but I can use this annotation feature and that's very useful and we are going to use that. There are three types of annotations that are generally available that are supported with Tableau, and we can do that right away by going with a right click here. You can see that there is an option called as annotate and there are three options available. The first one is the mark option, second one is the point, and the third one is the area option. We can use any of this, but there is a point connected to each of this. There is an idea behind each of this and we will see how exactly they can be used at which particular situation. When you want to choose the mark option will show you a simple window. By default, it will display the information at that particular mark. What do you mean by that, sir? Very simple. I'll go ahead with the right click. I am going ahead with the annotate option. I am clicking that. Now I got a window here. Now we can see that I am filling up data here. So I can say that it is forecast indicator, March or something, segment, maybe it can be related to shoes sales or something, month of order date, let me make it say 10th Jan. This is all random data, don't worry. Sales data, 10 million USD, something like this, and I can select the color, the font, everything that I want. The way I want to choose the colors, I can choose it, and that's all, it's done. Now this is called mark. This mark annotation will help you in showing the data at that particular mark. Whenever I go here, I will get the data. Now what is the next one, sir? The next one is going to be seen right now, right away through the implementation, and it's point. So see that I want to keep some annotation in this particular point, in this point. So I keep it here and then I go ahead with annotation and I select point. Now I write something here. I can write it as sales note section 111, something like that. So again, as usual, I can change the color if I wish, and let me go ahead with thick blue. Once it is done, you can see that once I hover my pointer over it, I could see that the sales note is very dull here though, but the sales note section 1111 is present here. So this one, you can see that here, when I click on that particular point, it will get brighter. So sales note section 1, in that particular point it is there. Now let me remove it. I do not want to keep this anymore, sir. How do I do it? I can go ahead with the right click and remove. I'm going to remove. Now there is one more type of annotation that's available. What's that, sir? It's a very simple type of annotation. It's called area. So if you are not very sure and if you want to keep it, if you are picking a random area, you can choose the area annotation. For example, I am picking just a random area here and I go with area. So here if you see, this is area annotation. That's all. So I am making it bold and let me select different color right now and done. So if I come here, this is random. So you can see that here I have selected some random area and there this is very clearly visible. When you are not sure of where you need to keep it, you can select this area notification and that's all. This is area annotation. So we have seen three types and we have also shown you how to remove it. Right click, remove it will remove that annotation. That's all. It's a very simple feature that will help you to keep the annotated content when you are presenting, when you go on with a full screen presentation mode, or when you want to highlight some points, you can use annotations, and that's a very useful feature. I hope you understood it clearly. In case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. If you like the channel and the content, please subscribe. Thank you.